Hi everyone, it's Jazzy here from Greenttons. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wear Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in your hair. If you're like me, you carry a lipstick, a lip balm, or some sort of a lip product with you everywhere you go. Sometimes you just don't want to have to carry them. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to wear them in your hair so you can be hands-free of your lipsticks. Let's get started. Now let's wear our new hair elastic in our hair. And when it's time to reapply, you always have your Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please hit the bell notification so you'll always know when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching!